Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove YouTube recommended videos. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to search in Google Chrome Web Store and open that website. And here you need to search in Chrome Web Store Unhook, like I am searching. Okay, and here you can see that Unhook remove YouTube recommended videos. You simply need to install that extension in Chrome. As you can see that I already installed, and let me show you in the YouTube. So you can see that now it is YouTube, and then you need to click on this, and then you need to click on hide home feed. So you can see that now recommended videos are removed and YouTube will be shown like this. So this is a process by which you can remove YouTube recommended videos. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.